HSDT has given up some of the gains. It ran up in this pre-market session, sorry, the regular session of today, the 11th of June. The gain is now 96.5%. Earlier on, we saw 113%. So yeah, the company indicated that, or rather announced that it has made a claim. Yes, says he has secured reimbursement approvals from key healthcare payers, marking a milestone. The company aims to expand coverage for its PoNS device and line payment rates. PoNS device is a device that is a non-invasive device that's placed in the tongues of patients with multiple sclerosis, and the device sends a signal to the tongue, which ultimately sends some signals to the brain and probably helps to manage these patients' gait and movements. So this is what we are looking at right now. This is its daily chart. Let's see. We have this is it's perpetually printing lower prices to date. Things have changed. There's a good chance it may continue to do so. So, but before now, the algos, as if they knew, they've been projecting higher prices. We have here 3.21. That's the only projection, no downward projection. However, lower prices are expected to continue to print all the way down to Wednesday, the 2nd of July. Interesting enough as well, the 10-day moving average is expected to serve as a primary primary supply line, supply primary supply line in some cases, and in one case, and primary demand line in one case. So in this case, it will be primary supply line, meaning that when it gets there, then shares will be supplied, or that selling will occur, and then the price will decay, and it will yeah, the price will decay, and obviously to come down. These are just extrapolations. No guarantee that that will be the case. Here we are looking at, as a matter of fact, two primary supply line cases. So it will get here and reject, meaning that that moving average is serving as a supply line, and then maybe after some time it will no longer serve as a supply line. It will become a demand line, and we'll see higher prices print. All of these are just extrapolations. No guarantee that that will be the case. So let's see now. Let's move on to the 4-hour chart to see what we have there. I don't think we have upper projections there. I mean, not as ambitious as we have on the daily chart. Here we have 1.87, yeah, 1.66 upper projections, 1.67 as a matter of fact as well, but also downward projection 0.7226, 0.1374. Let's look at the 3-hour chart. We have here, let's see, um, upper projections. Okay, let's begin with downward projections 0.1374, 0.7226, 1.65, $2, 2.21. High prices extrapolated going all the way towards Tuesday, the 17th of June. This is for its 3-period moving average. Let's look at the 2-hour chart. The 2-hour chart, no upper projections, everything very deep downward projections, and a distributive contraction is extrapolated. No guarantee that that contraction will print. In terms of the 1-hour chart, what do we have? We have a distributive contraction as well. Proper projections, do we have any? They may have, but I can't see anything really. It's a downward projection. No, not really. Not an upper projection. Let's have a look at the minute charts. They may give us some really um, ambitious projections that may or may not be in play. We have 1.66 not long ago. In anticipation of a spike, they had 2.2, 2.23, 2.14, $2, 1.66, 1.68. Let's see now, the 5 minute chart. We have 1.64 downward projection. Not very long ago, we had 2.11. Okay, yeah, it's giving up much of the gains it ran up in this session. Yeah, it wasn't a move in the pre-market session. Not naturally, this is what you get sometimes. They begin to decay in the regular session, and given that the stock is also a penny stock, and also penny stock fundamental. In a strong bearish trend. I don't think this is the decay we're looking at right now. I don't think it's out of place. Yeah, rapidly decaying. Yeah. Okay, see what you make of HSDT, and thank you very much for watching this video.